Immunity granted. MoDOT workers cannot be sued in the death of a worker and her unborn child.
And every day since then, my life has been living hell.
What's behind the ruling from the Missouri Supreme Court? Tonight, the state's high court has spoken, leaving a local mother outraged. Good evening, I'm Mike Bush.
And I'm Kelly Jackson. The family of Caitlin Anderson sued MoDOT supervisors, claiming they knew she was pregnant and failed to protect her. Brent Solomon is joining us to explain why the, quote, doctrine of official immunity is protecting those workers. Brent.
Well, Kelly, Mike, this evening I caught up with a former federal judge who describes the common law in detail. She admits many people don't see it as fair, including a grieving mother who just can't make sense of it.
If they would have followed the protocols, I would have been watching my grandson here at this park instead of sitting with you. And that's a hard pill to swallow.
Sitting in the Arnold Park, where she often took her daughter Caitlin for Easter egg hunts and birthday parties, Tanya Muskoff is reacting to Tuesday's news.
The people that killed my daughter and killed my grandson by not following their own safety protocols should have been held accountable.
Caitlin Anderson was a pregnant MoDOT worker assigned to a work project in South St. Louis County when a car hit her. She and her unborn son Jax died, as well as her co-worker James Brooks. Muskoff filed a wrongful death lawsuit, and the state's high court just decided the MoDOT supervisors cannot be sued due to what's called the doctrine of official immunity.
So it doesn't really have to do with willfulness or even the degree of negligence. It has to do with the fact that the individuals who are protected from the immunity are actually working in their capacity as state officials.
Our legal analyst Nanette Baker says you often see it applied to police officers and more recently some teachers.
It appears to be unfair in many cases, and so it's not unusual for people to have questions when the doctrine is applied. And even though there's been a wrong and there's been an accident or some act that has harmed someone, the fact that that person or those individuals or their family can't recover because of this doctrine appears to be unfair to lay people who are just looking at this.
And all she was doing was working, and she was deserving to live. And she was deserving to have that baby.
Before today's decision, Muskoff had already planned a 5K walk called Slow Down, Move Over. It will happen Saturday at Arnold City Park at 9 a.m. There's a $25 fee, which includes food and a t-shirt. You can find out more about that when you search this story on KSDK.com.